Our civil society can seem pretty uncivil sometimes, partly because of what happens to all of us during our school years. Students sort themselves or have been sorted at relatively young ages into those who do well in school and those who don't. Many get stuck in those categories, and unsurprisingly become a bit resentful. Think about it. If you grew up being told every day from a young age to eat broccoli, but you really don't process broccoli well, or just hate it, you are likely to be at least somewhat resistant to eating it for the rest of your life. And you may come to despise those who eat it easily and get praised for their gastronomic successes. Sadly, about half of the students in any pre-college classroom are like broccoli haters when it comes to academic achievement. Unsurprisingly, they resent those who lorded grades and scores over them during their school years. And in the process, many come to reject basics like science and facts, and those to whom science and facts come easily. Not to mention those to whom the word whom comes naturally. So is it possible to unite these antagonistic groups? If there's any hope, we need to recognize that this rift started in schools, so it can only end in schools. The first step is a better definition of academic success. College entrance and high school graduation have forced everyone into a single source of mental nutrition, one that may have been necessary and useful a century ago, but is frightfully outmoded in the 21st century. We must acknowledge that nutrition for our brains and our society is indeed important, but that broccoli is far from the best or the only way to get it. Another step is to change the mission of universities, which should be about humans dealing successfully with other humans. The stuff our prefrontal cortexes need most during our 20s, the ages when most people attend university. Often, the students least successful in scholastics are those who come up with entrepreneurial, differentiated ideas and products that make the world a much better place for all of us. Our education system must be about human brains, not some outmoded memorization and testing system, and not about broccoli.